Room tour, Hotel Cosmopolitan, here in Baguio. Here's our queen size bed, cabinets, side mirror, side lamp, bedside table lamp, TV. Nasa lang remote ng TV. How will you open it? Walang remote. And here's the view from our window. Mas visible in the morning. May aircon din yung ating. May aircon din tayo. So may working table tayo here. It's the working table. There's the working table. The bathroom. Shower area. That's our simple room in Baguio. See you on our next video. Thank you for watching.